Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today's video I am doing an organisation video. There'll be a little tiny bit of cleaning in it, as in I'll be cleaning the 4 drawers behind me. Yes, that is a cat on the bench, but I am going to be reorganizing my drawers. I already have some organizers in them that I've purchased from Aldi and Bigw W. My mum gave me one that was from Aldi, and I have some containers in the drawer that are just from like our cheap $2 stores, and there are some in there as well from the reject shop, which are very similar to the ones that you can get at IKEA. But then I got online and I also ordered this Joseph and Joseph cutlery organizer from Amazon, which I will link below. And if you have a look in here, it has like, it says spoon, forks, knives, and then you pop the little teaspoons in here. This is a great space saver for in your drawers, especially if you don't have much space in your kitchen. So they just stack on each other, as you can see in that photo, and you'll see later on when I do organize this space. Joseph and Joseph also do make cutlery storage. As you can see, it's got the slots. This isn't the Joseph and Joseph one. I went to order it on Amazon, and it wouldn't be here in time when I wanted to make this organization video. So I got online and I found Bunnings had very similar ones, so I purchased that. I will link that below as well. W also does this style here in a separate one, in a plastic version, like a really strong acrylic version, and the knife holder as well. So if you're wanting to do it sooner and you don't want to wait for any deliveries, you could head into your local Bigw W and check that out. I will link those ones below as well. I am using just the Method Anti-Bac in the Wild Rhubarb. I love the smell of this one. And I also purchased myself some new microfiber cloths from Bunnings, and it's the Mr. Clean brand, and they're in the purple color. I thought they were so cute, so I got them. Made myself a huge cup of tea that I can drink whilst I'm organizing today. And also I'm going to pop my AirPods in, and I am going to listen to the Audible book Master the Day, and that is by Alexander Hine. Let's get into organizing. So with all the drawers today, I'm going to do 1 drawer at a time. 1, so it's not overwhelming, and 2, so there's not a lot of things around, and 3, if I have to go somewhere, which so happened to work out that my sister-in-law popped in, so I didn't have a whole lot of knives and forks all hanging around. But that's how I tend to organize. I do section by section, and there is a cat on the bench having a good look as well. Don't worry, I always wipe the counters over, but you can see there's all like gross stuff in these drawers. So today I'm just going to use my Dyson V10 Animal to vacuum everything out, and then I will give everything a wipe over, as I mentioned, with the Method Anti-Bac. You love like you didn't care. And today Duke decided to star in today's video. He hasn't been in my videos a lot lately, and I've had a fair amount of you ask where he's been. He's here. He just has been a little camera shy. So I'm just going to pop all of these inserts in the drawers, and I kind of play around with how everything fits. I do change the knife block around because I had positioned it in wrong, and when I went to unpack the dishwasher I realized I'd popped it in the wrong way. So the way it is in there right now shouldn't be like that, so I do change it around after this video. But I just pop everything into places, and if it doesn't work I'll take them out and I just move things around. So you'll see me doing that throughout a lot of the drawers, but I thought I'd just play some music for a while, so if you are organizing or decluttering, you've got some music to listen to. So to kind of hold these bamboo inserts in place, I'm just using some clear double-sided tape to hold them to the drawers. Otherwise they kind of move around a little bit. Maybe if I had popped a drawer liner under here as well, it would secure them more, but it seems to be working, and I'm just, as you can see, just maneuvering things around and seeing what works. And there is a cat under the drawer there. They hung around with me this whole time while I was filming. It's been really cold here of late, so they like to be snuggled up to me, and even if that means just being around as I'm decluttering. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle, as you would have gathered, and I am a stay-at-home mum to 3 gorgeous children, 2 teenage daughters and a 12-year-old son, and I live here in sunny Queensland with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful children. Although of late it hasn't been quite sunny, it's been quite cold and chilly and overcast. We are in winter over here. So I'm just going to vacuum up these little crumbs here on the bench and wipe it over quickly so I can reorganize all of these containers as well. So these little containers here that I got, I purchased from just a $2 shop, like a junk store called Madhouse, and these ones are the ones that are similar to the IKEA ones, which I'll link below as well, and I purchased them from the reject shop as well. But if this is your first time to my channel, I would love for you to consider clicking the subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. It would mean the world to me. I do lots of cleaning and organizing videos, 1 to motivate me and 2 hopefully motivate you as well. So before you leave today, I would love for you to either click the little button in the bottom right hand corner or just go click subscribe once you've finished watching today's video. And you're probably thinking that I didn't really get rid of much, but everything I have in these drawers I use. I did a big declutter last year, so all the salad forks and all that we use when we're entertaining, extra spatulas and stuff. I'd rather have them than go out and get them before Christmas time when you're concerned about money and things like that. So that is why I didn't really get rid of much. If you're wondering, thinking you haven't really decluttered there, Michelle, that is why. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it's given you the motivation that you need today, and I'm going to pop a playlist up on the screen now with hours of cleaning motivation for more motivation. But I hope you really enjoyed today's video, and if you did so, I would love for you to click that subscribe button before you leave today. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!